Hello everyone, Weather App Part 8. Before we start, subscribe, give like, share. So let's get started. Today we're gonna complete where we left off. So here, instead of this sample API, we will use the actual one to get the current weather of where I live. So let's get started. First, go to the open weather map. Then, because I have an account here, so all I have to do is just log in. I will log in. It says I'm already logged in. So here, just click on API keys. If you don't have an account, just create a new one. Copy this one. Copy the key. Go to Android Studio. Here, declare a new property class of type string. So string API key equals semicolon. Then also go back and get the actual API link. Click here under the current weather data. Yeah, till you reach here the coordinates. The actual API starts with API, and then you will have to pass the latitude and longitude and the API key. That's it. So let's head back here, and then I will modify this. So as I mentioned, the only difference is only here API. Then here the key, I will just have my key here instead. API key, yep. Here we have one issue, which is the value of the latitude and longitude. There is no way we can access it from here. So what I will do is type in the function name here, get temp, then pass in the latitude here and the longitude as well. Here we have this error message, too many positional arguments, because here we still need to add to define two variables inside of the function. If you want to pass values to this function, you have to first define the two variables inside the parentheses. So they will have this type of the double type let, let's call it let, the second one double long. Now we have access to these values, I mean the values of latitude and longitude, and we can pass them here in this URL. So remove this value and add a $sign, then type let. Also here do the same, long. Let's click on hot reload and see. We have an error message. Let's scroll up and see what is it. Yeah, it's about this. We don't need to recall it again because it's inside of this function. So whenever you call this, both of those functions will be executed because it's inside of the get location. Now click on hot reload. Let's see. It says we have an error message, invalid API key. We got this error message by mistake. I deleted some part of the URL, so let's compare it with the open one here. this part. I deleted this part. Oh, sorry, where is it? This one. Now let's copy it and paste it there, and hope it will work. We have to just now double click. Yeah, good. As you may notice, the temperature is in a different format, so I don't even know what is that. So I will convert this unit into Celsius by going to the weather, to the open weather map, and here they have it. Yeah, units format. If you want to display the temperature in Celsius unit, just copy this part. It starts with and units equal metric. Copy it, then paste it at the end of the URL. Now let's hot reload it. See, now we got it in Celsius. That's good. The next step is, as you can see here, displaying the city name here instead of this hard-coded text, as well as here. I still have one issue. I cannot get access to this description and temp because they were declared inside this function. So instead, I must declare them as class property instead. Let's cut it and paste it here. Then I forgot the semicolon. Then the second one for the temperature, temp. Just add a new line here. Then here, just description. Yep, equal. And remove this one. Temp. Now I can access them and display its value on the interface. So whenever this function gets executed, the description will hold the information that belongs to it, as well as the temperature will hold the current temperature. So these class properties will be initialized after this. Where is it? After this function being executed. So now let me scroll up, and here just add a $, then curly bracket, then just type temp, and let's check it. It says it's null. Do you know why? Because we still have to convert this into string. And let's rerun it again. We got it right here. Next thing, I'm going to display the description. So as I mentioned earlier, that I don't have the weather icons, so instead I will use the description instead. So here I will add a subtitle text, then I will pass here the class property, the description. Sorry, there's no need for this. Description dot toString. Let's click on hot reload. Let's check the screen. Yeah, good. I will keep this as a fixed icon. I will edit this one and write instead temperature, and here I will add status. Just cut this and paste it inside of the curly brackets, and don't forget the comma here, I mean the quote. then hot reload it. Let's see the final result. It looks good. I just forgot to mention that you can create a new class for this, and you name it HTTP, which will be responsible for handling the HTTP requests. So instead of typing it here, you can just put it there and create an object here of that class. It's way better than doing this way. As long as we have one function in this app, which is displaying the current temperature and the city name, there would be no need for it. We might do it in other projects. Last thing to do, I will add a flat button here. Just here I will add a new container right after this card. Container. Then child. Then center. Then child. Then flat bottom, this one. Then child again. Text. And get weather info. Then colors dot blue. $500. Then text colors dot white. Then on press, that means when you press on this button, an action will occur. So instead of calling the function up here, I mean inside the body, this one, we will put it inside this button. But before, we have to call this set state. This set state function will update the screen. Now just click on hot reload, and let's see. Just when you click on this get weather information, it will update the screen. Just give it a few seconds. Yep, we got it. Also, we can move this. Well, I forgot something. We still have this the city name hard coded. We must change it. The first thing you have to do, just declare a new class property, strings, and name it city. Then scroll down till you get here. Yeah, here. Then just put it this way: city equal this part. Now scroll up here, and instead of this, just remove this one and put the class property here. Add this to string function, then click on hot reload. Yep, good. If you happen to face any issue, just come here, click on terminal, then type flatter clean, then it will clean your project, then you can rebuild it again. Just click on run. As you can see here, there is no city name, we have null value. Even here in the temperature, also here, just click on get weather information. It will take some time to get the results back. Yeah, here we got everything. I just double clicked it. So that's everything. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next project.